Okay, April 19th, and this is my motion detector camera that I've set up at the bird bath. And we're getting a lot of crown pigeons. Certain time of morning they come in and they sit in the tree. They're so nervous. They just wait and wait and wait, make sure the coast is clear. They're amazingly nervous. Um, I don't, I don't know. It's because they're hunted for game here, or I think it's more their natural state that they're cautious. Here we have a little bird. He's black and yellow, and he's just behind the pole. Almost didn't notice him. Our standard mockingbird, which later will be sitting right up on top of the camera. It reminds me of a story. I was trying to film pearly jawfish, and I left a video camera going and went on with my tourists. And in the middle of the video, an octopus decided to sit up on top of the camera to look at me in the distance with the tourists. And there came suction cups onto the camera. Anyway, in a minute, I think we're going to see him or hear him on top of the camera. You can just make out the tail above the screen. Yeah, my dad used to say that when you heard birds singing, if you were lost in the woods, you would go to where the birds were singing because that's where you'd find water. Kind of one of those survivalist kind of notions. Yeah, the local green heron, he's probably after the tadpoles. I got better footage of him on a different day. On a full-size TV screen, this must look quite nice. You know, seeing it on a small screen isn't as nice as seeing it on a big screen. That's a cool thing about YouTube is you can actually set up your flat screen TV to get onto YouTube and see really good, size footage, size imaging.